Hi guys, welcome to another Giant Graphics tutorial. Thank you to all our subscribers. Thank you for trusting us. Today we'll be learning how to make business card. Yes, and I'll be using the business card maker app, okay, which is this app. Please, you can download free from Play Store, iOS Store. Just download the one that is compatible with your phone. So I'm going to be loading my business card maker now. All right. So now on this you have create, saved, letterhead, and download. Now create is you're going to just that's the first thing you're going to click on to start making your own business card. Okay, why saved is talking about the business card that maybe you're actually making but you couldn't complete. They will be under the saved. Why download is the icon which you can download the card you just created. Yes, so I'm going to click on create. Okay, and now you can just close this. Okay, just ignore it so you won't have to start the pro. Now I'm going to close all of the ad because the free one actually comes with ad. Okay, so you have to close all the ad, and I'm going to enter my name, my designation, and everything that I need. So I'm Oluwaseun Ruth, so I'm going to just enter my name, Oluwaseun Ruth, and designation talks about my post. Okay, so I'm the CEO and the company name is Giant Graphics Co. So I'm the CEO of Giant Graphics Co. Okay, so I'm going to enter the informations. My tagline, sorry, this is co. Oh, that's a mistake. Co. Tagline, address line 1, address line 2, and the phone number. Okay, so I'm just going to enter those informations. Okay, I'm just going to fill something there. Okay, so I'm just going to enter all of the details. You can leave the other address line if you don't have. Okay, if you have only one address line. And I'm going to enter my phone. And you can enter your website address. And if you don't have any, you can leave it as well. Okay. All right, so after filling the details with my email address, now once you're done filling those information, you're going to you can as well click upload company logo so that you can upload your logo. Make sure the logo is in PNG format. That means it doesn't have a background. Okay, so that it can just fit into your it can fit into your card. That's your business card. Okay, so I'm going through my download to check my company logo without a background. Okay, yes, I'm just going to go through it. I know it's down in my gallery. Okay, so let me just keep scrolling until I get there. Okay, so I'm still searching for it. All right, so this is actually my logo without a background. All right, yes, and you can crop it to taste. So this is well cropped. Then I'm going to click on this crop to get the image. You can click on this to change the look. Remember this comes with an ad, so let's watch the ad. Okay, yes, just close the ad once it's done, and I'm going to click on crop. All right, so my company logo is updated and my details are filled, and I'm going to click on save. Now once you click on save, it's going to take you to the place where you can select a template. Okay, there are ready-made templates that fit in to your business card. Okay, so I'm just going to look for a beautiful one that I love. Okay, so you scroll down until you see the one you love. So let me still keep checking. I need a simple one. So you can use any of these logo. Okay, now some are actually pro. Those that are pro, you can't use them. Yes, now you can see these ones that are locked. They are the pro business card template. Okay, so I'm going to go for the free one and I'm going to check for the most beautiful among them. Okay, the one that is going to fit my company. Okay, all right. Okay, so I think I actually love this. So let me choose that. So just select the template you love. Okay, remember there are ads to watch. Okay, now the business card is actually loaded. Okay, and this is the front template, this is the back template. So I'm going to click on the front. Okay, you can see it automatically fit in those details that I entered. Okay, this is for the front. Oluwaseun route, CEO, Psychiatric Road, Romigbo, Port Harcourt, my contact line and everything. Okay, now you can still edit this. You can still edit any of them. Just click on the one you want to edit and you can delete it permanently if you don't want. Now, okay, this is the delete. Now let me assume I don't want this psychiatric road to be there. I'm just going to click on this delete. While this is to space your text, while this is the font style, you can decide to change this font if you don't like it. This is the text style. Maybe it's going to be left aligned, right aligned, whatever. And this is the font size. Maybe you want to increase or reduce it. This is your opacity and this is the color. So I can choose to change the color of the text. Okay, so those are basically the icons and its use. Okay, but I think I'm cool with this. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it and I'm going to click on save. You can also preview it, add logo and other things. I'm going to save it and it's asking me the name that I want to save it with, so I'm just going to add shell 1. Okay, remember this is just the front of my okay, so I'm just going to click okay. Remember, all right guys, so that's basically how to make your business card. Remember to enter your informations. I actually like this particular okay, so you can see I can actually edit this or delete it. So basically that is how to make your business card, and this is almost the simplest and most amazing business card making app, because you just have to enter your details and fix them in, choose front or back, make sure your informations are filled in correctly. Okay, you can see for this template now my logo is there, but because of this background, the white text is not showing. So I can actually change the background color. Okay.